Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So today I'm here with some Kroger Mega Event couponing deals with 6 free items. Yeah, it's a really good mega event. I'm so excited. So yeah, if you want to see all the participating items, I did an entire video with that. If you click the little eye in the top right corner, you'll be able to see that video. But here we have 6 free items. So in the description box below, I will have a printable breakdown because I know that was very missed last week. I was kind of experimenting to see which method you all liked with typed breakdowns. The majority definitely said they would rather have a printable breakdown than typed up in the video. So we will do the printable breakdown this week, and we'll switch back to that. So, yeah, let's just dive right in. First up, we have the Palmolive dish soap. This is a part of our Buy 5, Save 5 mega event for $1.99. We got $1 off coupons yesterday, or not yesterday, what am I thinking? The 5 Smart Source. So you pay 99 cents each. I don't know any details about this Catalina, but I saw this on Instagram. Alternative Money gave the breakdown here. So you pay $1.98, and then you get back $2 in the form of a Catalina when you buy 2. So it ends up making these totally free. And apparently you can do this more than once in a transaction. So like you could buy 4 of them, and it'll print out 2 of the $2 Catalinas. So that'd be really awesome. I did it today, and it worked. Like I said, I don't know the details. I would like to go back once I get some more coupons and do this again. So it's just such a good deal for Palmolive. This is the Bic Simply Soleil. This is $2.79. You got a $3 coupon in the 5 Smart Source, making this a 21-cent moneymaker. By the time you add your tax in, pretty much evens out to free. But that's a really great deal on those razors. The coupon scan just fine. Like clockwork, every mega, Kroger releases digital coupons for Colgate Toothpaste and Palmolive dish soap. So the Colgate Toothpaste is $1.99. We have a $2 digital, so it makes it free, which is awesome. I'm unsure how long this deal's gonna be around. It's kind of weird. It's still available. They have signs up in the store. I did it yesterday at Walmart, and it said no longer available, but then it says it's pending. So I have no idea what's going on with this deal. I got approved the first time, and it is a limited 2, so I'm not sure what's up with that. But anyways, these are 89 cents at Kroger. If you buy 2, there's a $5 gift card rebate you can do. On their website, they'll send you a gift card in the mail if you buy 2 of them. So you buy 2, you pay like $1.90 or $1.88, and you get back a $5 Visa card. So that's a really amazing moneymaker. So do not sit on that one. Check the website, see what it says. But if it still allows you to submit, I would go for it. And then the Dove Men Plus Care shampoo is $3.49. There's a $4 off 2 coupon in the 5 Retail Me Not. So you pay $2.98 for 2. Ibotta has a $1.50 back with a limit of 5, I think. So you can actually get a total of 4 of these. So do those rebates, you get these for totally free. Okay, so I got this one from Smooch the Cook, Amy Stotts, a couple days ago. This is really awesome if you can score this on the Pitos chips. They're $1. She said if you sign up on their website, which I'm not exactly sure what she signed up for, so maybe she can help us out. But apparently if you go on their website, which I'll have in the description box below, and you sign up, they'll send you an email for a free printable coupon. So you get this for free, and Ibotta has 50 cents back. So it would make it a 50-cent moneymaker if you could score that. Hopefully she can leave some insight because she watches these videos on like how she signed up and everything. So I'll have it pinned. I'll have the comment pinned if she comments that back. So the Krugerrand Ibuprofen is $1.29. There's a $1 coupon from that Kroger pharmacy book if you have that pharmacy book. So make it 29 cents, which is a phenomenal price. The Sprout baby food is 69 cents. If you sign up on their website to be something, I guess, for their email list, you can print a buy one, get one free coupon. So it makes these 34 cents. Even if you already did the coupon, though, that's still a phenomenal price, down from $1.69. So the soft soap is 99 cents. We got a 50-cent off coupon from the 5 Smart Source. So 49 cents for some soft soap. Another one. Once I get the additional coupons, I'm definitely going to go crazy and get more soft soap because 49 cents is just a really good price in my book. No, it's not free, but I've been making so much money on everything else. I can handle 49 cents for soft soap. It's a great deal. And the Speed Stick and Lady Speed Stick is 99 cents with a 50-cent off of 1 coupon from the 5 Smart Source, so it makes these only 49 cents. The Huggies Baby Wipes are 99 cents. There's a 50-cent digital coupon as well as there's a 50-cent off of 1 printable. I'll have in the description box below. Always appreciate it when you print using my links. So anyways, it would make the Huggies 49 cents, which is a phenomenal price for baby wipes. That's just awesome. So the Sweet Earth burritos, I didn't get this coupon or I'd be all over it. Wish I would have got it. I don't know why I didn't get this coupon. It's $1.49. There's $1 off of one coupon from the 4-5 Smart Source. I'm pretty sure is what it said. Let me double check my database here. 4-7 Smart Source. So you're going to pay 49 cents for these burritos, and these look phenomenal. And they are good. I've had them in the past. They're really good. No coupons needed on this. The Kraft barbecue sauce is just a really good deal at 49 cents. These Blue Diamond Nut Thins are $1.49 in the mega sale. We have a 1-off-1 coupon from the 317 Smart Source, so it makes these a whopping 49 cents is all. That is an amazing deal. So just in case you want to use your buy one get one coupons on these that we got in the 428 Smart Source, these Purina high protein dog foods are not on the mega sale, but they're just $1. We got that buy one get one coupon, so they'd be $1 for 2 or 50 cents each. This is a really good one on the Hunts. Ketchup, I believe this one I saw from Midnight Saver on Instagram. This is currently on the mega sale for $2.29. We have a $1.50 off coupon that's digital. So it ended up making these only 79 cents for this enormous. It's like an enormous bottle of ketchup. So that's a great deal. So here's some really cheap Wishbone dressing. It's regularly $3.49. They've got it on mega sale for 79 cents. Don't ask me why. That's really weird. I don't understand why it's that cheap, but that's a phenomenal price. Okay, this is a very involved deal on the Kellogg's products. For this one, you need to buy 1 Frosted Flakes, and you need 4 more boxes of Apple Jacks or Corn Pops. You can mix and match. You can get 2 Apple Jacks, 2 Corn Pops, or 3 Apple Jacks and 1 Corn Pop, or just 4 Apple Jacks. But you have to make sure you at least have a Frosted Flakes and Apple Jacks, a Frosted Flakes and Corn Pops, or Frosted Flakes, Apple Jacks, and Corn Pops. You have to have a total of 5 boxes total, essentially. The Frosted Flakes Ibotta only has a limit of 1, so to be smart, you only need to get 1 box of those. But the other Corn Pops and Apple Jacks rebates have a limit of 5, so those are easy. Here's what you need to do. Pick up 5 boxes total, mix and match, Frosted Flakes, Apple Jacks, and Corn Pops. Comes to $9.95. There's a 3-off-5 printable I'll have in the description box below. So you'll pay $6.95 for 5 boxes. You'll get back 60 cents on Ibotta for the Frosted Flakes, and then you'll get back 55 cents for either the Apple Jacks, Corn Pops, or both, whatever you decide. So it comes down to $4.15 for 5 boxes of cereal, or just 83 cents a box, which is an amazing, amazing, amazing price. So now we have the no coupons needed for this. The Oscar Mayer hot dogs, 99 cents. The Mott's juice is 99 cents, which is an amazing deal, down from $3.29. Oscar Mayer bologna down to 99 cents, another really good one. Okay, this is another amazing one. Hungry Jack pancake mix, 99 cents, down from $2.69. Again, no, this mega is not going to be, you're going to walk in and get everything for free, but you're going to go in there and save a ton on grocery items and stock up and not need to buy these things at full price for a long time. So that's the science behind this. So 99 cents. Garden Lights frozen meals, they are $1.99. We have a 1-off-of-1 printable coupon. I'll have in the description box below to print. So it makes the Garden Lights only 99 cents. This is a phenomenal price for Sara Lee bread. It's $1.49 for the butter bread and the wheat bread, but we have $1 off of any 2 Sara Lee bread loaves digital coupon. So you're going to get the bread for 99 cents a loaf, which hints why the shelf is wiped out, because people have been in there getting their cheap stuff, but amazing. Okay, so the Crystal Light is $1.50. We have $1 off 2 coupon from the, was not 5.5. This is the first one that wasn't 5.5. I think it was the 428 Smart Source. So it'd make these only $1, down from $3.29. And this also includes like the Mio and some other brands too, but that's really awesome. So I know most people are not gonna probably like this, but right now at Walgreens, everyone's going crazy stocking up on the laundry detergent that's on sale for $1.99. There's a $1 coupon, so you're gonna pay 99 cents, and you're gonna get 25 loads. That is like 4 cents a load. Kroger has the 50 load Arm & Hammer for $2.99 and use your dollar off coupon. So it comes down to $1.99 for 50 loads or 4 cents a load. It's the same at Kroger. You're paying $1 more, but it's like you're getting 2 bottles of what you get at Walgreens. So that awesome deal at Walgreens is actually awesome at Kroger too. Yeah, you're going to pay $1 more, but you're getting double the detergent. So it literally evens out, which is an amazing deal. Stock up on that. That printable will be in the description box below. And then the final deal of the day is the Kroger K-Cups, $3.29, always a good deal. These are, again, made by the same exact distributors who make the fancy Keurig K-Cups. Look on the back. It'll literally tell you they're made by Keurig. It's marketing. It's all it is. People pay more for the fancier brands because they think they're getting something special when they're really not. But that's what a lot of people think. So, yeah. So, yeah, that's all that I have for this video. I really hope you enjoyed. Let me know down below, what's the favorite deal? What's your favorite deal that I mentioned here today? Come back on Friday for the weekend sale matchups. It's going to be awesome. And, yeah, that's all I have for this video. Check out that printable breakdown, print some coupons, and thank you so much for watching.